Hey there, welcome to another FlowMotion, my favorite style of workout. Thank you for joining me today. We're not going to be getting down on the floor at all, so this is a great workout for those of you who don't like getting on the floor. Here we go, inhale up, big stretch, ooh, that feels nice. Exhale out, big stretch back behind you, good, inhale up. Looking good out there. Feels good to move. If you're sitting there on the couch watching, it's time to get up. You can do this. Good. 2 more. Good. 1 more. Now just step it in. Step in, out, and in. Very nice. Up. Good. Nice and easy. Lift. Good. You got it. Lift. Side to side. Just up, up, up. Very good. Nice. Woo. Beautiful. Hope you're having a great, great day. Come down lower. Up and up and up. Nice. Lower you go, the harder it gets. Good. So you're gonna make it harder still. Make that squat a little bit bigger. Good. 4, 3, 2. Let's just do those legs. Down, in, and down, in, and down, in. Whenever you squat, make sure you're sitting back on those heels. A little harder. We're going to go down, down, up, down, squat, 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 squat. Good. Woo! Feel my heart rate coming up. How you doing out there? Good? You look good. Come on. Feel it strong. Good. Come on. Let's go a little slower again. Go slow and in. Slow and in. Good. Add some arms. Just down and up. And down and up. Down and up. And down and up. Good. Woo. You can't even hardly tell you're working out, huh? I know, it feels so good. Except for my heart rate's up and my breathing rate's up. Right? Good. Okay. Now just side touch, side touch, side touch, side touch. So lift those arms all the way up. That'll work harder. And you can even make that a squat there in the middle if you want to. Good. Lift and down. Lift and down. Lift and down. Beautiful. Good. Up. Woo. Up. Out. Up. Nice. Nice. Good. Keep it going. And a few more. That feels so nice. Good, good, good. Up, back, up. Okay, speed that up again. Just come across and back. Good. Good. You got this. Woo. All right, let's take a little break. Inhale up again. Exhale out. I'm breathing too hard. It's more like inhale. Maybe inhale and exhale up. Inhale and exhale down. Let's go one more time. Up and down, down, down. We're just gonna take a little tap out and out and out and out. Then sweep and sweep and sweep and sweep. Again, out, 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 and out. And sweep and sweep and sweep and sweep. Good. Sweep it back. Around, 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 around. Again. Step out, step out, step out, and sweep, and sweep, and sweep, and sweep. Now let's do that slow. Out, plie, out, plie, and out, plie, and out. Now up and back, and up and back, and up and back, and up and back. Right? And in, out, in, out, in, out, and in. Leg out, and back, out, and back, out, and back. So much harder than it looks, huh? Out, in, out. Plie, squat, out, squat, out. Now lift that leg, out and back, out and back. Sweep it around, back, around, and back. This time lift out, squat, out, squat, out, squat. I'm working, I hope you're working. Take it out and back, out and back, out and back. Let's do it one more time with that lift, lift, squat, lift, squat, lift, squat, lift. Bring it around, sweep, back, sweep, back, sweep, back, sweep. Let's go to tempo again. Out, 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 in. Oh, that's nice. Around, 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 and out, and out, out, and out, around, and back, around. Oh, I went slow. We were supposed to go fast. Nice. Just tap that out. Stay right here. Good. Out and out. How you feeling? I'm so sweaty. Breathing hard. Working hard. Very nice. Good. Okay. Stay right here. Tap out and out and out. 4, 3, 2. Other side. Go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and switch. We're gonna go 4 low. Then lift for 4, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go out, 4, miserable to be good for you. You're burning calories, you're getting your blood in shape, you're getting all the benefits of physical exercise with none of the misery, right? All right, let's push, push, and press, and press, and press. Go 4, 3, and 2. And do a quick stretch. Just take it over, knee right over your ankle. Sit back into that stretch. Try to keep your shin straight up and down. Good. Now turn and press. Press forward through those hips. Stretching out your hip flexor. Feels so good. You can go all the way down to the floor if you want to, but keeping it up here is nice too. Bring that back leg in. Sit back. Pressing through that hip. Back nice and flat. Beautiful. Now keep this leg bent. Come up. Oh. Bend the other leg. Straighten that one. Come up and over. And just feeling that stretch a little bit in your hip. And come down and stretch. Hip to the ceiling. Good. Come up. And down. Side to side. Press. And press. And press. And press. Just keeping that heart rate up. Worked hard to get it up there. Keep it there. So keep on burning those calories. Keep on getting those benefits. Go 4 more. 3 more. Good job. 2 home stretch, baby. And 1. Down and hold. Knee right over that ankle. Drop this hip. Feel the stretch in your inner thigh. Very nice. Good. Turn and press. Doesn't it feel great? I know. It doesn't even feel like you're working out. I love it so much. But you're getting a great workout because you're feeling a little sweaty, yeah? Bring that back leg in, toes up. Stretching your hamstring and your calf. If those toes are up, hands on your thigh, not on your kneecap. Back is nice and flat. Good. So now you're going to straighten this leg. Bend the other one. Press your hip up to the ceiling. Feel that stretch in your hip. Bring it over. And down. Good. Ooh, that's nice. Go ahead and separate those legs. Hands on your thighs. Round your back. Up, 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 up. Then flatten it out. Cat back. Come up. 2, 3, 4. Then flat. 2, 3, 4. Again. Up. 2, 3, 4. Flat. 2, 3. All the way up this time. Roll, roll, roll. Nice work. Inhale. Big stretch. Press up. Press up. Remember these? 4, 3, 2, 1. Come out. Press back. Back. 4 more. Go 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale. 2 presses. Up and up. Exhale. 2 presses back. Press. Press. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. Inhale. Exhale. Good work. Good work. Good work. You crushed it. You did great. Have a marvelous day. You earned it. You're amazing. Go you. High fives. Whoosh. Now go conquer that day because you are strong. You are powerful. You are amazing. Go do it.